Today I'm going to explain the pronunciation of regular verbs in the past tense, specifically the aiding, even though it's always great the same. I can be pronounced in the three different ways, nt, and d, or id. Let's go!
The sound of past tense verb. When a verb ends ed, it can be pronounced in the three different ways. Sound like a T, sound like a D, it sound like a ID.
Okay, how do you know which one to use? And don't look and display and listen to the final sound of the base verb.
1. Pronounce T. Use T if the verbs end in a voice strong sound, like a P, a K, a F, a S, a S, an H, a C, and H.
For example, the verb is watched. We add ed, it is pronounced watched, watched, watched.
2. Pronounce D. Use a D if the verbs end in the voice soft sound, like a V, a G, a B, a Z, a L, a M, a N, a R, a Y.
For example, the verb is play. We add ed, it is pronounced played, 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 played.
3. Pronounce it. Use it when the verbs end in T or D sounds.
For example, the verb is start. We add ed, it is pronounced started, started, started. Thank you. Bye bye.